DataMatch Enterprise Online. Training. Overview of DataMatch Enterprise, features and capabilities. DataMatch Enterprise is a powerful data quality and data matching solution designed to help businesses cleanse, match, deduplicate, and standardize their data. It is especially useful for improving the quality of large datasets from diverse sources, ensuring that data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis or other processes. Here's an overview of its key features and capabilities. 1. Data cleansing. Standardization automatically corrects and formats inconsistent data, such as addresses, names, dates, or numeric fields, ensuring uniformity across databases. Address standardization helps in correcting address data using postal standards and fixing inconsistencies. Missing data handling identifies and resolves missing data either by flagging or filling in gaps using custom rules or external reference databases. 2. Data matching and deduplication. Advanced matching algorithms leverages multiple matching algorithms, example deterministic, probabilistic, and fuzzy matching, to identify duplicates and closely related records across datasets. Fuzzy matching detects and matches similar records even when exact matches are not present, correcting for spelling errors, abbreviations, and typographical mistakes. Cross-field matching compares data across multiple fields, ensuring comprehensive matching for customer or business records. 3. Data merging. Record consolidation. After matching, the software can merge duplicates into single, golden records, combining information from multiple sources into a unified profile. Survivorship rules. Customizable rules allow users to specify which fields take priority when merging records, example, most recent data, data from a trusted source, etc. 4. Data profiling. Data discovery assesses the structure, completeness, and quality of data by profiling datasets, helping to understand anomalies, duplicates, and patterns. Validation verifies that data conforms to predefined quality standards or business rules. 5. Address verification. Global address verification verifies and corrects addresses from over 250 countries, ensuring that they are valid and complete. Geocoding integration adds geographic coordinates, latitude-longitude, to addresses, improving accuracy for location-based analysis or deliveries. 6. Integration and compatibility. Multiple data sources supports various file formats and databases, including Excel, SQL Server, Oracle, PostgreSQL, CSV, and more. APIs and automation provides RESTful APIs and other automation capabilities, allowing seamless integration with other enterprise systems, example CRM, ERP, and automating batch processes for large-scale data matching. Data enrichment integrates with external data sources to enrich data, such as updating customer records with third-party data. 7. Customizable workflows. Flexible data matching rules allows users to define custom matching rules based on specific business needs, ensuring precise control over the matching process. Real-time processing enables real-time matching for high-speed, on-the-fly deduplication and data updates. 8. Data governance and compliance. Audit trail tracks all changes made to the data, ensuring that there is a clear audit trail for regulatory compliance and internal governance. Data security ensures data security and privacy with built-in encryption and access control mechanisms, ensuring sensitive data is protected. Data cleansing with DataMatch Enterprise, ensuring data accuracy. Data cleansing with DataMatch Enterprise, ensuring data accuracy. DataMatch Enterprise is a powerful data cleansing tool designed to ensure high levels of data accuracy by identifying, correcting, and eliminating inconsistencies within datasets. This is crucial for businesses looking to maintain data integrity for better decision-making, reporting, and operational efficiency. Here's a breakdown of the key components and benefits of data cleansing with DataMatch Enterprise. 1. Data deduplication. Challenge: duplicate records are a common issue in datasets, leading to inflated customer counts, incorrect reporting, and reduced efficiency. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise uses advanced algorithms to detect and merge duplicate records by comparing various data fields such as names, addresses, and emails, even when the duplicates are not exact matches. This process ensures unique, clean datasets. 2. Standardization. Challenge: inconsistent formats, example, different address formats, date styles, etc., can reduce data usability. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise standardizes data by ensuring uniform formats across records. It cleans up formatting issues like abbreviations, case sensitivity, or special characters, making data more uniform and ready for processing. 3. Data validation. Challenge: data may be incomplete or contain errors, reducing its reliability. Solution: the software cross-checks data against external authoritative sources, example, postal databases for addresses, to validate accuracy. It can also flag or remove records with incorrect or missing information. 4. Error correction. Challenge: misspellings, incorrect names, or transposed numbers are common data entry errors. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise leverages fuzzy matching algorithms to identify and correct errors in names, addresses, phone numbers, and other fields, thus improving the quality of the data. The tool can autocorrect or provide suggestions for manual review. 5. Data profiling. Challenge: understanding the quality of your data is the first step in the cleansing process. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise offers data profiling features, allowing users to analyze data quality by identifying patterns, anomalies, and potential cleansing opportunities. It offers insights into the current state of the data and provides recommendations for improvements. 6. Merging and consolidation. Challenge: datasets from multiple sources often contain redundant or conflicting records. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise consolidates records from different sources, merging them into a unified and accurate version. This helps in creating a single source of truth for customer records, financial data, or any other types of information. 7. Scalability and automation. Challenge: large data sets can be time-consuming to clean manually. Solution: DataMatch Enterprise is built to handle large-scale data cleaning and can be automated to run at regular intervals, ensuring data accuracy over time. This reduces the manual effort needed and ensures ongoing data quality. 8. Customizable workflows. Challenge: different organizations have varying needs when it comes to data cleansing. Solution: the tool allows users to create custom workflows tailored to their unique data cleansing requirements, whether for customer data, financial records, or supply chain information. These workflows streamline the cleansing process, ensuring that all relevant data is addressed. Master Data Management (MDM) in DataMatch Enterprise. Master Data Management (MDM) in DataMatch Enterprise is focused on maintaining the consistency, accuracy, and accountability of critical data across the entire organization. DataMatch Enterprise offers a comprehensive suite of tools for mastering data by addressing data quality issues, unifying disparate data sources, and ensuring data is clean and consistent for decision-making processes. Here's an overview of how MDM works in DataMatch Enterprise. Key features of MDM in DataMatch Enterprise: data integration and consolidation. DataMatch Enterprise allows organizations to integrate data from various sources, including databases, cloud platforms, and CRMs, into a single, unified view. This ensures that duplicate records, data silos, and conflicting information are eliminated. Data deduplication and matching. A core feature of DataMatch Enterprise is its powerful data deduplication and matching algorithms, which identify duplicate or similar records across systems. The software uses fuzzy matching techniques to find duplicates even when the data is inconsistent or contains typographical errors. Data cleansing. DataMatch Enterprise includes robust data cleansing capabilities, allowing users to standardize, correct, and enrich data across multiple sources. This ensures the integrity and accuracy of master data, preventing errors in downstream applications. Golden record creation. MDM solutions in DataMatch Enterprise create a golden record by consolidating the best and most reliable data from various records. The golden record serves as the authoritative source of truth for customer, vendor, or product data, providing a consistent view of the data across the organization. Data governance and compliance. DataMatch Enterprise supports data governance policies by enforcing data quality rules and ensuring compliance with industry regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and other data protection laws. This helps organizations maintain transparency and accountability in their data processes. Customizable workflow and data rules. Users can define custom data rules, workflows, and validation rules to align with their specific business needs. This ensures that only clean, validated, and consistent data is used throughout the organization. Scalability. Designed for organizations of all sizes, DataMatch Enterprise provides scalability to manage increasing volumes of data as the business grows. It offers flexible deployment options for both on-premises and cloud environments. Data stewardship. MDM within DataMatch Enterprise allows organizations to assign data stewards who are responsible for overseeing data quality, ownership, and management. This ensures accountability and continuous monitoring of data accuracy. Reporting and analytics. DataMatch Enterprise includes built-in analytics and reporting tools that provide insights into the data quality and master data management processes. These reports help monitor the effectiveness of MDM initiatives and identify areas for improvement. Seamless integration with existing systems. DataMatch Enterprise is designed to easily integrate with existing enterprise systems such as CRM, ERP, and marketing platforms. This ensures that master data is synchronized across the organization, reducing inconsistencies and improving data accessibility. Benefits of using DataMatch Enterprise for MDM: improved decision-making. By ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and consistent, MDM helps organizations make more informed decisions based on reliable information. Data matching techniques in DataMatch Enterprise. DataMatch Enterprise, DME, is a powerful data management platform designed for data cleansing, matching, and deduplication. It offers a variety of data matching techniques to help businesses maintain clean and accurate data. Here's an expanded overview of the key data matching techniques in DataMatch Enterprise. 1. Exact matching. Description: exact matching compares records based on precise matches of the same data values across fields. This technique is ideal for standardized data such as product codes, account numbers, or SSNs, where values must match perfectly. Use case: best suited for fields that are expected to have no variations, such as unique identifiers or structured data. 2. Fuzzy matching. Description: fuzzy matching identifies records that are similar but not identical. It uses algorithms like Jarowinkler, Levenste, and Soundex to detect variations in spelling, abbreviations, or typos. Use case: particularly useful for matching names, addresses, and free text fields where there could be minor differences due to human error. Example: John versus John. 3. Phonetic matching. Description: phonetic matching algorithms, such as Soundex or Metaphone, are designed to match words that sound similar but are spelled differently. This technique is used for fields like names, where spelling variations are common. Use case: common for matching surnames or first names that may have multiple spellings. Example: Smith versus Smith. 4. Probabilistic matching. Description: probabilistic matching calculates the likelihood that two records refer to the same entity based on statistical probabilities. It takes into account the likelihood of matching on certain fields, example name, date of birth, address, to assign a confidence score. Use case: best for complex datasets where matching decisions are not binary, such as deduplicating customer records from different databases. 5. Rule-based matching. Description: DME allows users to create custom rules for matching based on specific business logic. For example, you can set rules to match records where both the first name and last name must match, but the address can differ slightly. Use case: when specific business requirements dictate custom matching criteria. Example: matching customer records where email and phone number combinations are unique. 6. Cross-domain matching. Description: cross-domain matching refers to the ability to match records across different data sets or databases. DME integrates disparate data sources to find matching records even when the data fields and formats differ. Use case: useful when you need to merge records from multiple systems or databases, such as CRM systems, accounting platforms, and marketing tools. 7. Address standardization and matching. Description: Data Match Enterprise includes address standardization features that convert addresses into a standardized format before performing matching. This ensures that variations in how addresses are entered, example 123 Main Street versus 123 Main Street, are not treated as separate records. Use case: key for matching customer or business addresses where slight variations in formatting are common. 8. Blocking and indexing. Description: DME uses blocking techniques to group records into smaller subsets based on certain criteria, example zip code or last name. This reduces the computational load by ensuring that only relevant records are compared against each other during the matching process. Use case: improves performance in large datasets where full comparison of all records would be computationally expensive. Address standardization with Data Match Enterprise. Address standardization in Data Match Enterprise involves the process of cleaning, validating, and transforming address data to a standardized format, ensuring consistency and accuracy across databases. Data Match Enterprise, a robust data cleansing tool by Data Ladder, offers powerful features to streamline address standardization for businesses managing large datasets. Here's how it works and why it matters. Key features of address standardization with Data Match Enterprise. Parsing and formatting. Breaks down addresses into standard components like street, city, state, postal code, and country. Identifies incorrect or misformatted entries and restructures them into a uniform format. Ensures the address conforms to local postal standards, example USPS standards in the US. Address validation and correction. Validates addresses against official postal databases, example USPS, Canada Post, to ensure they are legitimate and deliverable. Automatically corrects misspelled street names, missing zip codes, or incorrect city-state combinations. Geocoding capabilities help verify and correct addresses using latitude and longitude data. Handling duplicates. Detects and merges duplicate addresses, which may exist due to different formats or abbreviations, example street versus street. Uses fuzzy matching techniques to identify variations of the same address, even when they are slightly different. Normalization of address data. Standardize abbreviations, example converting AV to avenue, and formats, example ensuring consistency in house number placement. Ensures consistency in country-specific formats, example UK postal codes versus US zip codes. Bulk address processing. Processes large volumes of address data in bulk, making it suitable for enterprises with extensive customer or contact databases. Offers integration with CRM, ERP, or other database systems to streamline data processing workflows. Address enrichment. Data Match can append missing information like SIP+4 codes or county information to incomplete addresses, enriching the dataset. Benefits of address standardization with Data Match Enterprise. Improved data quality. Standardized addresses enhance overall data integrity, reducing errors in customer communication, shipping, and analytics. Cost savings. With correct addresses, businesses save costs by minimizing mail returns, shipment delays, and undelivered orders. Regulatory compliance ensures adherence to data quality regulations, such as GDPR in Europe, reducing the risk of legal penalties. Optimized marketing and logistics. Clean and standardized address data improves targeting in marketing campaigns and operational efficiency in logistics. Use cases. E-commerce. Standardizing addresses ensures smooth delivery operations and enhances the customer experience. Financial institutions helps banks and insurance companies maintain accurate customer records for regulatory and operational needs. Healthcare ensures patient address information is correct for compliance with health record management protocols. Integration capabilities of DataMatch Enterprise with third-party systems. DataMatch Enterprise is a powerful data cleansing and matching software designed to help organizations eliminate duplicates, standardize data, and improve data quality across multiple systems. Its integration capabilities with third-party systems play a crucial role in ensuring seamless data flow and improved efficiency. Below are some key aspects of its integration features. 1. APIs and web services integration. RESTful APIs. DataMatch Enterprise supports REST APIs for integrating with external applications. This enables real-time data sharing and interaction with third-party systems like CRM, ERP, or custom business solutions. SOAP APIs. For older or more complex systems, DataMatch Enterprise also offers SOAP API support, facilitating integration with legacy systems that rely on this protocol. 2. Data connectivity and import-export features. Database integration. DataMatch Enterprise integrates with a wide range of relational databases such as SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and others. This allows the software to directly import and export data from these sources, ensuring seamless interaction with an organization's data infrastructure. Cloud-based data sources. It can connect to cloud data sources such as Salesforce, Google Sheets, Microsoft Azure, AWS, or other cloud storage services, enabling smooth interaction with cloud applications. File-based integrations. Support for importing and exporting data through file formats like CSV, Excel, XML, and JSON allows DataMatch to integrate with systems that rely on flat files for data exchange. 3. CRM and ERP system integrations. Salesforce integration. DataMatch can integrate with Salesforce to help organizations clean and deduplicate customer records. This integration ensures that data remains consistent across both platforms, preventing duplicate records from propagating. Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, and Oracle ERP. DataMatch Enterprise connects with major ERP systems, allowing organizations to keep their master data clean and consistent across financial, supply chain, and human resources management systems. 4. ETL and data integration platforms. Integration with ETL tools. DataMatch works with Informatica, Talent, Apache NiFi, and other ETL, extract, transform, load platforms. This allows organizations to embed DataMatch within their ETL workflows to cleanse and deduplicate data during data transformation processes. Integration with middleware. It can also integrate with middleware solutions like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, and SnapLogic, which orchestrate data flows between different systems. 5. Marketing and analytics platforms. Integration with marketing platforms. DataMatch can integrate with platforms such as HubSpot, Adobe Marketing Cloud, Marketo, and other digital marketing tools. This enables organizations to standardize and deduplicate customer data for more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Analytics tools integration. Integration with Power BI, Tableau, and other data analytics tools ensures that clean data from DataMatch flows into analytics pipelines, leading to more accurate reporting and insights. 6. Support for real-time data synchronization. Bidirectional data synchronization. DataMatch Enterprise allows real-time synchronization of data between the third-party system and the DataMatch database, ensuring up-to-date and accurate data across different platforms. Batch processing and real-time data updates. Organizations can choose between batch data processing or real-time updates based on their operational needs. Data profiling and deduplication using DataMatch Enterprise. Overview of DataMatch Enterprise. DataMatch Enterprise is a powerful data management tool that focuses on data quality through data profiling, deduplication, and record linkage. It is designed to handle large datasets efficiently, offering advanced algorithms to identify duplicates, standardize data, and ensure data integrity. It's commonly used by organizations to clean and manage customer data, streamline records, and improve data quality in CRM systems, marketing databases, and more. Data profiling features in DataMatch Enterprise. Data profiling is a critical step in understanding the structure, content, and quality of a dataset. With DataMatch Enterprise, the data profiling process involves analyzing datasets to provide insights into data consistency, completeness, accuracy, and patterns. Here's how it works. Data analysis and insights. Automatically scans the dataset to identify issues such as missing values, inconsistent formats, and outliers. Provides metrics on data quality, such as duplicate counts, frequency distributions, and data type mismatches. Generates comprehensive reports that highlight potential problems and suggest corrective measures. Column profiling. The tool analyzes each column to determine its data type, example text, numeric, date. It checks for pattern deviations, such as inconsistent phone number formats or date ranges. Data completeness and validity. DataMatch Enterprise checks for missing or null values and assesses the overall completeness of the data. Validates the data against customizable rules, such as verifying email addresses or postal codes. Pattern recognition and validation. Identifies common patterns, example, social security numbers, zip codes, etc., within the data. Allows users to set custom rules for pattern validation to ensure data follows organizational standards. Deduplication process in DataMatch Enterprise. Deduplication is one of DataMatch Enterprise's core strengths, helping organizations eliminate redundant records while preserving data integrity. The deduplication process involves the following steps. Matching algorithms. Data Match Enterprise uses advanced fuzzy matching algorithms to identify duplicate records even when there are variations in spelling, formatting, or incomplete data. Algorithms include exact match, phonetic match, soundex, metaphone, and probabilistic matching, allowing the software to catch near duplicates that other tools may miss. Data standardization. Before deduplication, the tool standardized data formats, example addresses, names, to ensure consistency. This includes normalizing case, removing punctuation, and converting abbreviations. For example, street and street are standardized to a uniform format before the matching process begins. Customizable matching rules. Users can create custom rules based on specific business requirements, example, match on first name, last name, and address. Weights can be assigned to different fields to prioritize certain attributes over others in the matching process. Why choose ProExcellency for Data Match Enterprise online training? ProExcellency offers a range of benefits for Data Match Enterprise online training, making it a solid choice for professionals seeking to master this data management and cleansing tool. Here are some key reasons why ProExcellency might stand out. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency typically employs trainers with industry experience and expertise in Data Match Enterprise, ensuring that participants get hands-on and practical insights. Customized training. The courses are tailored to meet the specific needs of individuals and organizations, providing customized content based on the learner's goals and the use cases of Data Match Enterprise in their business environment. Comprehensive curriculum. The training usually covers all essential aspects, including data matching, deduplication, record linkage, and data cleansing, ensuring learners gain a deep understanding of the tool. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency emphasizes practical exercises and real-world applications, allowing learners to practice with Data Match Enterprise features and solve real data quality issues. Flexible scheduling. They offer flexible online training schedules, accommodating different time zones and personal learning preferences, which is beneficial for working professionals. Support and resources. Participants often get access to additional learning resources, recorded sessions, and post-training support, helping them apply their knowledge effectively even after the course. Certification and recognition. Completing training through ProExcellency might provide certification that can be useful for career advancement in data management roles. Thank you.